Hey, what's going on, folks? Decided to do a quick video here. It is about 5:51 a.m. Just going up, reviewing some charts. A lot of time on my hand lately. Um, I just recently broke my arm, so I've been doing a little rehabbing and sitting still a lot. So I'm just going through some charts. So I've been getting some questions and then just in general conversation with some friends and family and stuff. People are kind of nervous, I notice, about investing and trading this year because everybody, we're in a recession, the market's down, the market's been down all year. So I just want to kind of show how even when there's a bear market, when markets are down, there is always some stocks that are going to be going up, depending on your time frame you're trading in. And also, I want to just show how you can make money going up and also make money going down. So the stock market, when you learn what you're doing, there's nothing to be afraid of. There's money to be made going up and down in a bear market, in the bull market. It's ways to make money if you can learn this and know what you're doing. Um, so let me just go over this chart here. So looking at this, you know, what would you say this is? This is going up, right? This is an uptrend. So you start an uptrend when you get this bounce here, you go up to this high, you bounce back down, or you have a higher low. You going up, this is a higher high. Then you kind of go sideways. So a trick to this will be probably the first area you can get in because you want to wait for confirmation to bounce off your support. This blue line I have drawn, it's a trend line, which trend lines also act as support lines. So you can look at this as the support. If until this trend breaks, what you see it does up here, it breaks. Let me change this to an arrow here. There we go. Until that happens, you're in an uptrend. So you can make money. You can put some money that this stock is gonna go up and just follow the trend. So again, it touches here at the trend line, aka the support line, and goes up, comes back down near or to that trend line, and you have this big, large engulfing bar again, which shows buying pressure. This is a great entry signal because if you enter here, you can draw a stop loss right below there. Now painted red here for my stop losses. So you have you mitigated your risk there by doing that. Now you have a very tight space here where if this was to turn around immediately and hit this, you can get out of the trade with a small loss compared to if you put it way back down here, or if you didn't use a stop loss at all and it reversed on you, would lose a lot of money. But that is one way to mitigate your risk so you don't lose a lot of money. You enter here, put a line here. If it turns around, goes there, you just get out of the trade. There's always trades to get in every day, all day, depending on which type of strategy you're using. And all of the strategies work. You just pick what works for you. So if you was to get in here, you could go up at 35.95. You see the stock ran up, broke through this resistance with those large bars. I would have let it ride, and then you got up to 37.23. So 35.97, I'm on 36. That's a dollar and some move right there. And this is 8:30 right at market open to about 9:45. So an hour and 45 minutes, it went up over a dollar. That's good money. You see here, the stock goes sideways. So a nice trick of the trade to know, if you have your trend line here, when stock starts going up, they like to kind of rest a little bit. So this was a big move, came back and rested. This right here, that dollar move I just said, in about an hour and 45 minutes, that was a big move. And now the stock is just kind of resting here. And when they rest, they tend to like to want to go right back to that trend line. You see here, right to it or near it, and then it goes up again. Goes sideways a little bit, goes up again. Comes down, look what it's doing again. It's going sideways again, down to get where? Right to the trend line, and then boom, bounces up for another This is 38.05. Started going up all the way up to 39. Another over $1 move. That's good money. You know, bounces back down off that trend line, goes right back up again. Okay, so that's how you can, you know, even then we're in the overall, and I believe on this day the market was red, it was down, but this stock was still going up. This is Halliburton, the you know, the energy company out here. So even when a lot of stocks are going down, you know, generally you want to trade in the direction of the overall market, but you can still find stocks going up, just like this one. You want to pay attention to your support and resistance line. See if you're getting some resistance. Then you just kind of want to think about your trade and watch it closely. But that's going up. So if we go forward a little bit here, it came down, broke through that trend line. So once it goes down like this, you know, that trend is over with. So now you have to watch. So it goes down, comes up. Now you have a lower high. Okay. So now you're beginning a downtrend now, right? So same thing, comes up to the trend line, goes down, comes back up again, doesn't get to it or go above, goes back down. Big old bar, goes up to it, and then comes right back down. Okay, and it kept dropping till it went sideways over here. Okay, so you know if you're in a downtrend, which you're right here, you don't want to jump and get anxious, and you see this big bar and try to buy in right here. You don't want to buy into an uptrend while the overall trend you see is going down. Look at this stock overall is going down, so you wouldn't purchase a long play when it's going down. So just you want to wait for another signal for it to go back down, which is this is a buying signal for it to go down right here, and you buy in right here and you make your money as it goes down. You know, as simple as that. You know, sounds simple, but with a little coaching, a little help, a little time to learn, you can get it. You know, if you look overall, just overall direction of this stock is down right here. So you would not want to buy long calls or bet on it going up in this area. In this area right here is going up. So you wouldn't bet on it going down right here. You have to wait till the trend breaks, like right here. When it comes up and goes back down, that's confirmation that we're going to stay going down. So if it could have came down here and went right back on up, you're still in the uptrend if that happens, okay? So you just have to watch that. It's not hard, folks. Again, look at this long uptrend here. You just kind of got to see what it's doing, depending on your time frame, how you trade, if you're day trading, swing trading, position trading, what you're doing. It's always money to be made in the market. And I did pretty good on these trades right here. But I just wanted to show that because with a few conversations I had over the weekend, I noticed some folks were just generally kind of scared, they have their money to invest, but they're just real nervous, just saying that the market's down. But hey, when it's down, you can make money while it's going down. I know lots of people who've done it this year made tons of money, Great way to financial freedom, folks. Of course, you want to long-term invest. You want to swing trade, and just trade in general. You have to know, I've learned that you have to learn how to do it all, invest and trade, to really get that financial freedom, especially in times like this. So just want to make that little quick video. I hope that helps. I'll be right back here shortly with more videos as I recover from this arm break. One Arm Bandit signing off. Peace.